everybody. I'm Miss Neely.
And I'm Miss Kate.
And we work at North Cobb Library, part of Cobb County Public Library System. Today we're going to read you a book called Are You a Cat? By Cole Muir. Are you a cat?
Why do you want to know if I'm a cat?
I'm a dog, and dogs chase cats.
Well, I'm not a cat, so you can't chase me.
Okay, well, what are you then?
I'm a bird.
You're not a bird.
Yes, I am.
Okay, if you're a bird, prove it. Fly.
Where?
Fly to the top of that tree. See, you're not a bird, you're a cat.
No, I'm not a cat. I'm a squirrel.
You're not a squirrel.
Yes, I am.
Okay, if you're a squirrel, open this nut.
Why?
Because that's what squirrels do.
I knew that. No problem.
Ouch! See, you're not a squirrel. You're a cat.
No, I'm not a cat. I'm a butterfly.
You're not a butterfly.
Yes, I am.
Okay, if you're a butterfly, land on that flower without squashing it.
Why?
Because that's what butterflies do.
Oh, I knew that. Okay, watch this. Oops.
See, you're not a butterfly. You are a cat.
No, I'm not a cat. I'm a rabbit.
You're not a rabbit.
Yes, I am.
Okay, if you're a rabbit, hop down that hole.
Why?
Because that's what rabbits do.
Oh, I knew that. Okay, watch me. Uh-oh. I'm stuck.
I knew you're not a rabbit.
Oh, who cares? Please help me out of here. Look, a mouse.
Do you want to chase it?
Yes, I do. I want to chase it.
I knew it! You are a cat.
Yes, I am a cat.
Okay, cat, let's chase the mouse together.
Eek, said the mouse. Stop! You can't chase me.
Oh?
He's a dog, and I'm a cat. Surely we can chase you. No, you can't.
Why not?
Because I'm not a mouse. I'm an elephant.
The end.
Okay.
Hi everybody. Well, since we just read a book about a cat and a dog and a mouse, we're gonna sing a song about a cat and a dog and a mouse. So normally you would think a cat would say meow, but the cat in our song is gonna say fiddle-I-fee. Can you remember that? I know it's kind of silly, and we're gonna stack the animals on top of each other. All right, here we go. I bought me a cat, my cat pleased me. I fed my cat under a tree. Cat goes fiddle-I-fee. I bought me a dog, my dog pleased me. I fed my dog under a tree. Dog says woof, woof. Cat goes fiddle-I-fee. I bought me a mouse, my mouse pleased me. I fed my mouse under yonder tree. Mouse goes squeak, squeak. Dog goes woof, woof. Cat goes fiddle-I-fee. Now you can keep adding animals to that song. Any animal you can think of, just add their noises and stack them on top of the dog and the cat and the mouse.
It could go on all day long with all the farm animals and pets you can think of. Have fun!